Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm working on this 2013 Kia Optima, and the condition is no crank, no start. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so here is the starting system schematic. Basically, when you press and hold the start stop button, the smart key control module will send power through the start fuse right there. And then it travels. We are automatic transmission. It will travels all the way here to the transmission range switch. Basically, this is your inhibitor switch. This one is like a safety switch. If your transmission is in drive or reverse, it's not gonna send power through this relay. But if you are in park or neutral, it's gonna send power to this start relay, and this start relay will activate the switch right here. This thing is gonna close it out, and then it's gonna provide power there to start the solenoid relay and then crank the engine. Yep, there's going to be a lot of parts involved here. There's a fuse, there's a relay, there's a module, there's a switch. But let's go ahead and focus on this one. If we get power here, that means we're all good all the way through the start stop button. All right, let's go ahead and check this connector really quick. Customer installed a new battery, and here is the connector that I'm talking about earlier, guys. We're gonna unplug it. Then I'm gonna use my power probe to check the power source here. All right, let's do that really quick. All right, so I got my power probe, and I'm gonna use one of this lead right there and just stick that one there. If I got good power, I should hear that, right? All right, let's go ahead and press that start button. All right. Okay, I can hear my power probe. All right, so let's go ahead and press that one really quick. Let's see. It's right there. We got power. All right, guys, so we getting power from this connector. Again, that means we're all good on the circuit. All the way up here to start stop button. Now, let's go ahead and check this one right here, the start solenoid. This one is supposed to be grounded, so let's go ahead and check that out. Alright, so let's check this guy right there. This one's supposed to be grounded. I might need to remove this so I can check it better. It doesn't want to come out, but I can see it from here. Okay, so if that solenoid is good, we should hear this ground, this one right here. So, oh, I don't have any ground here, guys. So I think we got bad starter solenoid. This one is not grounded. There's an open circuit over there. I think we need a starter here. And the starter lives right there. Alright. I am done with this test light and my power probe. I gotta put this back. Alright, let's go ahead and replace this starter. I think there's right there. Alright, so I got my first one in. I'm gonna break it loose. This thing's on the way. Okay. There you go. I am using 14mm here. First one is out. The second one is kind of a tough one. Right there. I'm just gonna go break it loose right there. Make sure you're not hurting transmission pan. Alright, let's do this. There we go. Okay. Not gonna use this one. I am using this small setup right there. Alright. There you go. There we go. Two of them are out. Alright guys, so here is the starter. It's loose right now, but we have to remove this bracket. There's two and two more on the bottom, 12mm. that we gotta remove, so we're gonna get more clearance to remove the starter. This one might gonna help. There we go. And there's two more right there. Alright, hopefully this thing works. Huh, that one is loose. What the heck? Oops, I dropped it. Oops, dropped my socket too. So the first one is loose. It's right here. Let's see the second one. Oh, they're both loose. Oh, that one dropped. Okay. Alright guys, and now we got a room here. Oh, what the heck? It's not plugged in. It's not plugged in. It's broken. The connector is broken. Then there is, oh man, let me remove that 12mm right there really quick. Where is it gonna go out? Right here. Ooh. Here's your starter, guys, and that's the problem right there. Alright guys, so here is the real problem. This guy, the connector is bad. Probably someone installed this one and I don't know, maybe he didn't install it correctly, but yep, connector is bad. Oh man. No wonder we don't have any ground here. Well, I'll let the customer decide. I'm gonna sell the connector, and it's up to her if she want to replace the starter. Seems like an old one. Yep. Let her decide. Alright guys, so luckily we do have one, and we notified the customer about this starter, and she said go ahead and replace the starter as well, because this one is old and the vehicle has like almost 190,000 miles on it. So the customer doesn't want to take chances on this one. We're going to repair the connector and replace the starter. Alright guys, I apologize because I had a tough spot to film it while I'm doing my repair, but just in there, it's right there. Cool, there's the connector. Alright guys, let's move on. If I can open this. There you go. Here is your new starter. Oops. Don't lose that. Okay. Alright, let's do this. I don't even remember how this thing gets out. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay, so where is that big fat cable? It's right there. Like right here. I think this guy is gonna sit like right there. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Oh, come on. That's right here. Are you serious? It's right there. Ah. What? That. Okay, so just gonna plug this in. It's in. All right. Okay. All right, so I think we gotta put the bolt first before the bracket, just in case we need some adjustment. Okay guys, so I installed this one right here just to help this starter line up. I think we're good right there. I think. Alright guys, so the first one, let's try this.
Okay, so this lady's on the phone, the red van.
Okay.
She said we could probably get part.
Alright, first one, let's try it. I can't. Oh, there we go. Oops. Let's see. Man, it's not lined up. Let's see if I can line it up really quick. Alright. Got a long screwdriver here. Please don't fall. Oh, there we go. Oof, there you go. I got it in, but it's hard. I'm gonna use this one. There we go. It's not really. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think I got it. Let's go ahead and do this first. Just want to make sure I'm not cross-threaded. Yep. I'm good. Yeah, I am good. Okay, so let's work on the second one. Here we go. Sorry guys. Oh, right there. Right there. Oh, come on. Ouch. It's not going in. I think it's gonna help if I tie that one first. Alright. Still loose. And try to put this one in. There we go. There we go. Cool. Now let's speed it up. Okay, cool. I'm gonna use this one to tighten them. There we go. Let's move to the next one. Cool. Oh, this is the crooked one earlier. Don't forget about this. So let's remove this guy. Then this clip is broken. There's a lot of broken clip here. Then I installed this bracket. Oops. Oh man, I can't see. Huh. Well, that sucks. There you go. Let's work on the last one. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start this guy. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.